What do you get when you cross a radioactive spider with a socially challenged teenager? So, are we gonna do something or what?
Tell me a story.
A story? Yeah, I got one for you. Let me tell you the one that started it all. So, a few months ago, my class went on a little school field trip to Oscorp. So yeah, that's how all of this happened.
Tell me a joke.
Okay, how many tickles does it take to make Doc Ock laugh? 10 tickles. Because of the tentacles? Ow, my organ!
Let's fight bad guys.
Let's! There's a bank robbery in progress at Midtown Savings and Loan.
Attack!
Hi there. We'd like to withdraw some felons.
Guard my room.
Guard your room? You got it, partner. A supervillain approaches. Hi-ya!
What time is it?
It's time to fight crime! Woohoo! Oh, you were actually asking. It's 1:36.
Let's play a game.
All right, it's trivia time. J. Jonah Jameson is the editor of which newspaper?
The Daily Bugle.
The Daily Bugle is the one. Good job. You know, it's rude to stare. Come on, let's do something.